Kling AI just released their O1 model, and honestly, this is something special. We're not looking at just another update here. This is the world's first unified multimodal video model, and it's fundamentally changing how we approach AI video creation. While most of us have been keeping tabs on Runway and OpenAI's Sora, Kling quietly developed something that leapfrogs the entire field. Let me walk you through why this matters. Here's the thing with most AI video tools. They force you into specific workflows. Want to generate from scratch? That's one mode. Need to edit existing footage? You're switching tools. Want to modify styles or add objects? That's yet another separate process. It's fragmented and honestly kills your creative momentum. Kling O1 takes a completely different approach. This is one unified model handling generation, editing, and understanding all at once. Think of it as an all-in-one video production suite where everything just works together seamlessly. What really stands out is how it interprets your inputs. Text prompts, images, video clips, reference photos. You can upload up to 7 different types of media simultaneously, and the model intelligently processes all of it together. It creates this intuitive workflow where you're essentially having a conversation with the AI about your creative vision. Let me break down the 3 main workflows, because this is where things get really interesting. First up, text to video generation, but with a significant upgrade. O1 uses chain of thought reasoning. Instead of simple pattern matching like older models, it actually deduces events and understands the logic behind your request. This translates to better motion accuracy, consistent subjects throughout frames, and camera movements that genuinely follow your instructions. You're getting intelligent video generation that respects real-world physics. The second workflow is image to video with frame control. You provide start and end frame images, and the AI fills in all the motion between them while maintaining perfect visual consistency. This is incredibly powerful for filmmakers who need specific shots or want to pre-visualize camera movements. It's like storyboarding, except the AI handles all the heavy lifting. Now, the third workflow is what really blew me away: multi-elements mode. This is video-to-video editing through simple text prompts. You can upload existing footage and modify it just by typing what you want changed. No masking, no keyframing, no VFX expertise required. Want to remove bystanders from a shot? Type remove bystanders. Need to change bright noon to moody dusk? Type change daytime to dusk. Want to swap the main character's outfit? Just ask for it. The model understands visual context and executes these edits automatically across all frames. And here's the best part. You can stack multiple tasks in one prompt. You can literally say, add a subject while modifying the background and change the style to cyberpunk, all at once. The creative possibilities are genuinely endless. Let me dive deeper into multi-elements editing because this feature alone is worth your attention. You get 4 main operations: swap, add, delete, and restyle. Swap lets you replace any element in your video. Turn a cat into a wolf, change outfits, replace backgrounds. The model maintains motion consistency across all frames. Add lets you insert new elements naturally: flames, helmets, atmospheric fog, volumetric lighting. The AI understands spatial relationships and lighting to make additions look completely natural. Delete removes unwanted objects instantly. Boom mics, competitor logos, distracting background elements, gone in seconds. And restyle transforms your entire aesthetic while maintaining the original motion and composition. Go from realistic to animated, modern to cyberpunk, day to night, all in post-production without reshooting anything. The performance benchmarks are pretty impressive. Kling ran internal blind tests with professionals, and O1 achieved a 247% performance win ratio compared to Google Veo for image reference video generation. For instruction transformation, editing videos based on text prompts, O1 hit 230%, compared to Runway Aleph. Now, these are internal tests, so we should wait for independent verification, but those margins are significant enough to pay attention to. So, who's this actually for? Content creators can fix wardrobe issues, add visual effects, and experiment with different aesthetics without reshooting. Marketing teams can update product colors in existing footage, remove competitor logos, and add seasonal elements to evergreen content. Filmmakers can pre-visualize camera moves, block scenes, and ensure continuity across shots. Fashion brands can try different colors, outfits, and textures through simple prompts. Post-production teams can remove unwanted objects, add atmospheric effects, and experiment with visual styles, all in post. The timing of this release is fascinating. Almost simultaneously, Runway unveiled Gen 4.5, claiming it's their most powerful model yet. Google has Veo, OpenAI is working on Sora, and Midjourney announced they're entering video. The competition is absolutely fierce right now, but what sets Kling O1 apart is this unified approach. Most competitors still make you switch between different tools for generation versus editing. Having everything in one coherent system is a genuine competitive advantage. Kling O1 is available right now through their web interface. It's also integrated into Artlist AI Generator, available as an API on FL and part of WaveSpeed AI's ecosystem. The barrier to entry for sophisticated video effects and editing is dropping faster than anyone predicted. We're witnessing a fundamental shift from AI makes weird, trippy videos to AI is a practical tool in professional workflows. This is the direction the entire industry is heading. Text-based editing of video content is becoming as natural as editing a document. The implications for content creation, filmmaking, advertising, and visual effects are massive. We're entering an era where the only limit on video content is your imagination, not your technical skills or production budget. Kling O1 isn't just another AI video tool. It's a glimpse into how we'll be creating all video content in the very near future. The future of video production just arrived, and it's more accessible than ever.